So I noticed that the clock on my dash wasn't working, and last night I noticed that the cigarette lighter wasn't working, and that there was a penny rammed down in there. Go figure, because all the change that's there. Well, there's a penny rammed in there, and so I need to change the fuse for the cigarette lighter. I've already actually done it, but here's where it is. You just pull that thing down, and you just tug on it up. Yep, just like that. It comes out. If you look at the back of it, it shows you where the fuses are, and it is the third one down on the far right. See where it says SIG? It's a 15 amp. Sure enough, it was blown. See if I can get my camera to focus. Nope. Yep, a little bit. So it's blown, and so I put a new one in, and like I said, it's the third one down. I don't know what that mystery wire is. That was a little surprise today. I bought this car used, so apparently a previous owner had something rigged in there. I'm not sure what, but I took it out with some needle nose pliers and then put it back in with the needle nose. It's kind of a challenge just because it's so far back, but you can get it. Just take your time. Hope this helps somebody. Thought I'd shoot the video just because I learned something new. So if you're trying to figure out where it is, that's it. It's a blue fuse, third one down, all the way to the right.